Nick, just let us know of your experience, please.
The Sure Hair Transplant clinic was amazing. I couldn't be happier.
Yeah, so this is Nick. He's 38 years old. 6 months ago, had a FUE hair transplant with us. He came to us with a Norwood 3 pattern with bitemporal hair loss. This is what he looked like when he first came. And you can see the the very prominent hair loss in the bitemporal angles. And this is what he looks like today. So this is it's a very natural hairline. Turn to your, yeah, you can see, and the other way please. Very natural hairline, good hair growth, and chin down please. And you can see imperceptible transition from the transplanted area to the natural area. And if you look at the back, you can see there's no evidence that he ever had a hair transplant, which is what you would expect from an FUE with uniform regrowth. And Nick, just let us know of your experience, please.
The Sure Hair Transplant clinic was amazing. I couldn't be happier with the result. I feel like I look 10 years younger, and the staff and doctor were amazing. They walked me through every step of the process. Whenever I had questions, they were quick to answer, and you can't argue with results. I couldn't be happier.
If there's anybody on the line thinking of doing a hair transplant, what would you say to them?
I would say definitely come to Sure Hair. They were the most thorough of anyone I've heard of. The doctor even called me for 2 weeks after checking up on me, so it was an unbelievably positive experience.